Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Wednesday, February 15. The time is 3 a.m. GMT. And today we are looking at the chart of Ethereum. This is 2-hour chart. Now we can see we ended with 1 here in the minor degree and now pulling back. So the pullback needs to be in the wave 2 right now, and wave 2 should be in 3 waves. We ended this with A of 2 in the form of a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're now looking for a with B correction. Now this C of B could have completed here, right? It could have completed here. If we got more downside, then it is possible the B already finished, or it can become a WXY as well, like a WXY. The bottom line is, because it is a 5 ways down, then there is still a possibility of another leg down again, as long as we don't break above 1715 here, right? So this is the key level, 1715. From there we have a 5 ways down, quite clear 5 waves. So we're looking for the rally to fail for another leg down one more time in the C leg before we finish with 2, right? So if I zoom out, this is the daily time frame, and copying this with 1 here at 1715. That is let me see here, I think it's this one, right? So basically the rally started from here in November 9th. So you can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ended 1. So now looking for a 3-ways pullback in the wave 2 before higher again. Now the only time that you won't see another leg down, right? Let's say if we don't see another leg down, instead rallying to new high, let's say, then that means that if that's the case, then there is expanded flat somewhere here, like an A, B, C. So this 5 waves then is part of a C leg of an expanded flat, and that could be ending with 2 here, right? But that is not the primary view. Primary view is basically ending 1 here, and then that 5 ways down is the first leg of an ABC. So therefore we are looking for B to fail and go down again in a C leg to the downside one more time to finish with 2 correction, right, before it rallies again. All right, so that's basically where we are with Ethereum. And if you do want to get more updates on Ethereum or any other cryptos or other asset classes like stocks, ETF, Forex, and so on, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.